When you were a kid, did you look forward to coming home to an after-school snack? Well, this Rice Krispie recipe is not only easy to make, but your kids are gonna love coming home to them. If you are new to my channel and you want some more fun recipes that you can feed your family, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hey everybody, my name is Christine Chai and welcome to Zested Foods, where this channel is all about strengthening the family one meal at a time. Now tell me, as a kid, did you eat a lot of Rice Krispie treats? In the comments below, make sure you tell me yes or no. I have had my fair share of dry Rice Krispie treats throughout my day, and I can tell you I am not a fan. So after reviewing several different recipes, I think I have found the perfect one that tastes great and it stays moist for days. Our first step in making the Rice Krispie treats is we're going to melt 2 cubes of butter over medium-high heat. While your butter's melting, go ahead and spray a 9x13 pan or something similar with some cooking spray that you can put in the Rice Krispies once they're done. Once your butter is all melted, you're gonna add in 20 ounces of mini marshmallows, or about 11 cups. Once everything is all melted together, we're going to add in 9 cups of Rice Krispie cereal to the marshmallows. And just mix everything together until it's all mixed evenly. I love the sound of Rice Krispie cereal. I remember as a kid when we used to eat it with milk for breakfast, we'd love the sound of the crackling that the cereal would make. It made it always sound like it was talking to us. If you're ready for your kids to go back to school, make sure you hit that like button so that I know I'm not the only one. Once your Rice Krispie treats are all mixed together, you can go ahead and place it into your 9x13 pan and then spread it out evenly so that they're all the same size. Sometimes it's kind of hard to do one-handed. Once you've allowed these to cool slightly, you can slice them up and enjoy one of the easiest treats that you can make. You can leave them like this, or you can add in fun things like Oreos, sprinkles, chocolate chips, M&Ms. The options are endless. Just make sure you ask your kids what fun treat they would like to add. If you'd like the step-by-step recipe as a PDF, you can go into the link in the description below and download it for free. If you liked this recipe and you want some more desserts for your family, make sure you check out this playlist right over here, and we will see you in the next video.